another day, another trip, and guess who was almost late to the airport? Us. We have...
I'd have been fine.
No, we were not fine.
Oh, I would have been fine.
And we forgot my seat cushion for my wheelchair. So for the next 3 days...
I went through and was ready to go right away.
Yeah, but I have a wheelchair, and it takes longer. So anyway, we're going to see my sister get married in Florida, and I'm very excited. Jacob's moving because the other seat beside us is empty, thank goodness, because we were dying a little bit. But yeah, we're going to Florida. Woohoo! This is Jacob's first time flying with me, and it's been an experience. Minnesota now. Minnesota. Is that how they say it here? It's been stressful, but we're about to board. We had a layover flight, and flying's super stressful for me always. But the lady noticed that I was cold on the flight and gave me a blanket, so I took that, and hopefully I'll get another blanket on this flight and be good to go. Took me a little nap. It's a 4-hour flight this time, so I'm trying to download some Netflix stuff so that I have stuff to watch, because I haven't watched Atypical, the 3rd season yet, so I'm gonna try to watch that on the plane. Made it to Jacksonville, and we're now waiting for my sister to get here. She took a different flight than us, so we're having to wait for her because we're gonna all be meeting the same person to pick us up to take us to the hotel, which we're meeting my sister's future husband, brother, and sister-in-law to take us because they're from Jacksonville, which is where we're at. And then when we get to the hotel, we'll meet up with my mom and my stepdad. We'll meet up with everyone that's going to be there, and hopefully I can get ready because you can tell that I've been flying all day, and I would like to do my hair, put some makeup on. So annoying. But yep, that's what we're doing now, just waiting. So we have like an hour to kill, and for my job, we're supposed to have people leave Google reviews. Like if we did a good job, we want them to leave Google reviews for my job. So I just told Jacob to leave a Google review saying that I was really good, because I haven't had anyone say anything to me about it. He went to the page for my Google, for my store that I'm in, and like literally all of them are about me. And this one lady, Doris, I remember her, she said she may adopt me because I was so sweet. That makes me feel good. That makes me feel good. What were you gonna say? Go ahead and boost my ego a little bit.
Oh, it's okay.
No, go ahead. I'm waiting. The people are waiting.
6 out of the last 8 are about you.
Hair flip. Hair flip. Abort mission. Jacob went to the wrong store, so none of those were about me. I don't know.
But there's another helpful woman named Sabrina at CCC.
Because I was like, Jacob, I don't know. Doris, I did. It was either Doris or Phyllis. I swear that I know.
They probably had the same issue then. Went to the wrong store.
I know that I helped this sweet old lady. She was so nice.
Hometown TCC, and it brought up a different store.
But it wasn't me. But hey, I'll take the compliments. Good for that, Sabrina. I think I'm pretty good at my job. I'll take it. Come on, hair flip. But I did help. It was either Doris or Phyllis. I can't remember which one. But she was really nice. And as she was leaving, she almost cried. She was just a sweet little lady. You can't see right now. Oh, my mom turned on the light. But this is the resort that we're at. It's super nice. So we finally made it to Jacksonville, and it has been a long day. It's like not even 10 o'clock yet, but we've been traveling since 3 this morning, and I am exhausted. So my mom actually just went to go buy some Cold Stone Creamery. I changed into some jammies. Jacob's right over there, but he doesn't want to be on camera right now. So I'm gonna wait for the ice cream to get here, and then I'm gonna pass out. These blankets right here are like heated blankets, not heated blankets, I wish, weighted blankets, and it's gonna just suck me in, and I already know that I'm gonna fall asleep. So good, so good. So I'm going to be filming my sister's wedding on my big camera. I brought it just to be safe. Someone just knocked on the door again. So I probably will insert those clips from my camera. Good morning. It is like 7 o'clock. I got a little sleep, much needed though. It was nice. It's raining, so we're gonna have to do, you can see it's raining, we're gonna have to go do the wedding inside, which I don't know the plan yet, but I'm super excited.
David, you can kiss your bride.
We're right by the ocean, guys. You can see it there. Jacob going on the ocean. Woo woo. That hot man. Was that your first time on the ocean?
In this one,
Oh.
I've now put my feet in both.
Yeah, I wish you wouldn't have did that with your shoes on, but...
It's just the bottom of my shoes. My socks are still dry.
Okay. So now we're at breakfast. We came to the little resort breakfast, and it's super nice and super fancy. They have kale lemonade. I don't know what that is, but yeah. We are in our hotel for the evening, but it's like 1 o'clock, I think. Yeah, it's like 1 o'clock exactly, but I'm exhausted. So I think we're gonna kind of take a nap here and relax, and then maybe go out for dinner. I don't know what's around here. We're in kind of like the middle of nowhere, so I'm gonna have to search later to get what we're doing. But I did record all of my sister's wedding, but I recorded it on my phone because my big camera wasn't working, and I don't know what I'm doing. So I just filmed it on my phone. She didn't have a preference either way, so I'm gonna put those clips together for her. I put one of the clips in here, but I'm gonna leave the rest for her. My sister is very different from me in the fact that she's very private. I'm super not private, if you guys haven't caught on to that. So I just want to make sure that I'm respecting her and her privacy, and that's an intimate thing that I don't want to share with the internet. So I'm not going to post that all over the internet, but I did put a little clip in here for you guys to see. But I know this vlog probably wasn't my best work as far, but it's just kind of hard to film everything, and I wanted to be a little bit more present, and I was uncomfortable. So depending on what we'll get into tonight, I'll share with you that, and then we're going home tomorrow. So I don't think we're gonna do anything tomorrow, but travel, and that's boring. I don't want to just film that for you guys. So I wanted to check back in and kind of clarify, because some of those clips are really random, and I didn't want it to be confusing to some of you guys. So I will check back in with you whenever we figure out what we're doing for dinner, what we're doing later on. We ate at Buffalo Wild Wings, and then we're in like a little shopping mall, so instead of having to pay for another Uber to go shopping, we just came here. We're at Ross now, and I got me a really, really nice jacket. I'm super excited about it. I'm gonna try to look at some of the clothes because I really need to go shopping, but that's what we're doing right now. I think we may go to Marshall's, which is across the highway, because we're gonna try to get Jacob some different shoes and see kind of what we can find there, but I think that's kind of the plan right now. We came home and took a nap. I don't know if I already said that, and I slept for like 4 hours because I needed it really bad. We're back in the hotel now. Guys, okay, the first lift was awful. The guy complained the whole time about how short our ride was because it's only like 2 miles to our destination, and he wanted a longer ride. He was mad that he got took out of the queue or something. And then when we were done shopping, we decided that we were going to call another lift. Well, 2 of them canceled. One of them drove all the way there and then canceled, and the other one said that we were too far away, which he wanted to stay in the queue or whatever because we're right by the airport in Jacksonville. And then so we get this guy named Eduardo. He's so nice. He gets there, he has a higher up car, and I ended up falling during my transfer, which happens. And I told him, like, Jacob will help me, I don't want you to help. And so he just stood there and rooted for us. He's like, you got this, take your time, like, it's okay, let me know if I can do anything. He was just super patient, super kind. And then when we got to back to the hotel, we realized that my foot was bleeding from the fall because it got all cut up, and blood all over this poor man's car, all over the floor, all over my chair. And instead of like freaking out, Jacob and I like rushed to get it clean real quick, and he was just super kind and super patient. So that was a really good experience. But the first one, I thought we were gonna die. I literally texted my mom the like location, and I was like, this is his information in case he kills us, because he was saying that he was gonna cancel our ride and then take us to where we were going, but cancel the ride. And I was like, this is how we die, this is how we die. But we didn't die, we're okay. And I think we're getting ready to go lay down, so this may be the end of the vlog. I know this vlog has not been very eventful, and I am super sorry, but it's just been really hard to vlog. My phone's actually about to die right now, so I'm gonna close this up real quick. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!